in force since 1962 and expanded and codified several times since then. However, the embargo itself is manifestation of globalization. The US setting up barriers in order to limit or halt the flow of the trade with Cuba and to inhibit or prevent the other nations from around the world from trading with Cuba, China, and of course is becoming if not soon the major force in global capitalism, even though the government remains communist, at least in the name. Fishman 2006. In any case, China is actively involved in globalization, not only economically, but in many other realms as well. The perspective adopted in this on the current global age is most in accord with this focus on broader changes that began in the last half of the 20th century. While all the other perspective deal with global processes, they were far more limited in geographic scope and far less extensive and intensive than the global processes that took off in the late 20th century. Thus the perspective adopted there is that globalization is relatively recent developed, with its major points of origin occurring after the close of World War II. Synthesis. There are six epochs of globalization, and these are called waves, and, uh, and has its own origin. Number one, globalization of region. The fourth, the fourth to the seventh centuries, which witnesses the globalization of religions, for example, Christianity and Islam. European colonial conquest. Ay, number 2 dito. Number 2, European colonial conquest. Number 3, intra-European wars. Number 4, heyday of European imperialism. Number 5, post-World War II. Number 6, Cold War. Conclusion. The origin and history of globalization can be analyzed through 5 perspectives. First, globalization can be seen as being hardwired into humans in the form of a basic urge for a better life. This instinct results in the spread of globalization through commerce, religion, politics, and warfare. Second, globalization may be perceived as a long-term cyclical process. Cyclical process. In this view, there have been other global ages prior to the present one, and each age is destined to contact and disappear after attaining a peak. That's all. Thank you.